Hey there, Alistair here, back in the workshop again. Well, what can I say? Just a massive thank you to everybody that has viewed my video that I did on the Mears knife. It's just absolutely blown my mind, the amount of people. I think we're up to like 35,000 odd views on it now, which is just absolute crazy. I can't, yeah, it's just, again, as I said, it blows my mind, the amount of people that watch it. I am really grateful, and all the new subscribers, that's going up daily, which is fantastic. I haven't been making these videos for long, only a year or so, and I just can't believe that the amount of people that will watch that last video. I know I just repeat myself, but I am absolutely amazed. It's like fantastic, so cool. Very grateful, very humbled, and thank you for all the comments that people have left regarding the Mears knife and the knives that I make as well. I had some fantastic comments, some negative comments, but you know, you're going to get that. But you know, I respect all the comments, even if they are negative ones or whatever. There was quite a few people saying, "Oh, it's, you know, you've got a nice knife like that, you should be using it, and it's just wrong not to use a bushcraft knife, just to leave it in a box." But you know, to me, it's something special. I've got plenty of other knives. If I want to go out in the bush or whatever and hack at things, I've got plenty of other knives I can use for that. And it's just something special to me that I just want to keep it in like perfect condition. And as I said, when I'm no longer on the planet, then somebody else can own it, and if they want to use it, that's all well and good. You know, I just want to keep it pristine condition, and yeah, I'm just so grateful to have that knife. So I just want to look after it and preserve it, and you know, not really abuse it, and like it should be. I know it should be used, which that's the thing. All tools like that should be used really, but I just want to keep it and just look after it. I don't know, but yeah. But anyway, I am really grateful as to the amount of views that I've had on that video. So thank you again, and let's see what else I've been up to. Been pretty busy actually. What have we got? I've got a couple of finished blades. Got this little one here. Bilby X. I'll get Brumby, Bilby, Big Dingo. We'll get them all muddled up. Bilby XL. So we've got some stabilised cypress pine. It's all a bit of a mouthful this morning. So let's clean that one off. These are fine, we'll kind of go over and clean up. But so that's what we've got. I think I actually had this one in one of my previous videos where I compared it to the Bilby standard size one, which is that size there. So I did actually compare these two, and obviously this one's finished now. So, but you can see the difference in size. It's not like mega. I want to call it an XL. It's just slightly bigger than the standard one. Like the hand was a little bit bigger, blade's a little bit bigger as well, which is good. So back up there. I normally do Scandi grinds on these, but I think I did say in the previous video as well that I was going to possibly do a saber grind on it. So that's that one. It needs a bit of a clean up. It's got a few fingerprints on it, but kind of a semi sort of teardrop shape to the handle. Black G10 liners. Polished all the spine up nicely. The flat 600 grit. I don't think I've got any paper in it to do the usual paper slice. And made a little leather sheath for it as well. Got the hole in it so you can wear it as like a neck knife style. Just with a little press stud on there. Just a simple one really. I find with this type of knife and the blade with that profile, these small kind of sheaths work better than the belt. You probably could do it in a belt style one, but I find these work better. You end up with a lot of the wider blades. They're a bit more tricky to get in the sheath, and you end up slicing through the sheath with the blade. What have we got? Oh, what else have we got? I've got this one which is just about to go out the door. These are little bags that I've put them in. I make the bags, just a little leather drawstring thingy, nothing fancy, just simple, like me. So this one here is one, I think I might have had this in one of my previous videos where I just rough ground the handle. I hadn't actually finished grinding the shaping hand sanding process, but it's come out quite nice. I like this one. It's again, it's another one that's one of those ones that you don't like to see go, but I'll have to make myself one day, because although I'm a bit of a wood handle guy, I do like this G10. So anyway, there's the sheath, just a standard belt loop sheath. I dyed this one black, and there's the blade. So there's the blade. So this is the Brumby curve back, obviously because the spine of the knife has got that curve from the butt to the tip, just like a bit of a nice curve to it. And Scandi grind. This is in AEBL stainless, 600 on the flats, and the bevel is in the what do I do it? I can't remember. A45 Trizac on the bevel. It's been stropped, but the handle, as I said earlier, I am a bit of a wood handle guy, but I do like this. This is pretty cool. It's 3 different colours. So you got the black, like a khaki, and then the olive green, and it just gives it a really good look, good effect. Some orange G10 on there, and the spine, I've just gone with a satin. Can we see that satin finish on the spine? Didn't go with a polished spine on this one because I finished the pins in satin, because I haven't gone mega polished with the handle. I think I finished it to 1000 grit, and then just gave it a light polish up a little bit, just with a bit of I can't remember what I actually used on there now. Might have just been a little bit of metal polish on there, but it hasn't got a shine to it. It's still got that matte look, so it's got a bit of grip to it. It's not sandblasted finish, which obviously would make it a lot more grippy, but I just wanted to go with a semi sheen. Got the big lanyard tube there, stainless with the stainless steel pins. So a good all-weather knife, good for fishing, bit of hunting, whatever. You haven't got to worry about corrosion or the handle getting damaged by water. So that's about it. I think I've got a couple more on the go. These are the little Brumbies, but these are cool because they're an in between size. Like you can see, it's just sort of, I've got about average size hands, but the handle is smallish. The blade's fairly small. We've got so the blade's roughly about 90mm, or if we're in the old-fashioned inches, about just under inch and 3 3/4 inches, just under 3 3/4 inch. And the handle, you're looking at about 4 inch. So overall, 7 3/4 inches, or in metric we are 200, around about 200mm. Sorry. So they're a good all-round knife. I sometimes do a Scandi grind, sometimes again the sabre. I think the sabre probably lends itself better for this knife because of the blade profile, and just obviously the sabre grind, you're a bit more all-rounder, as in food prep, bait prep, and a bit of wood carving as well. So those I've got those two. I'm going to make a few more of these Brumbies. I've got a few more to cut out, drill the holes, and then I can get those into heat treat. I've also been I'm on some stabilising at the moment. I picked up some really nice burls the other day from a good man, Graham Turner, that I know, and this is really nice. It's York gum burl. Sorry, a bit close on my face there. It's York gum burl, and try and find a knot. Got some good bits. Yeah, it's so nice. I've chopped them up into blocks. Let me just spray a little bit of. Just spray a bit of, what's it called on there? A bit more. You can see the grain. How nice is that? And obviously that side, if you cut it on the other side, it depends on which way you have it, but you almost get like a swirly effect on that side and a different effect there. And so, well, it's a good thing with burls, they're always different. You never get one that's the same. I know most woods are like that, but with the burls, it's just such a crazy grain to it. Another bit here, hang on. Got that bit there. That looks really nice. Can make some really nice handles with that. And again, the side, you get that different effect. So that side, you got almost like the bubbly looking, lacy kind of, whatever you'd call it, pattern. But then the side of it, you've got it completely different grain, which just, it blows my mind the way it grows and what nature produces. How you can have that on one side and then completely different on the other side. So nice. But I'll put these in the drying cabinet and then go through the stabilising process. I think that is a little about it really. I've got a couple of my others on the undergo. These have all been heat treated. So I've got another Bushwood curve back, all in AEBL. We got the Bushwood original, 2 of those, and they've all been heat treated, tempered, and they're all at that one's at 59 HRC. This one's at 59.8. And this one is 60, dead on 60. So lots of work to be done to get them from this stage to a finished blade. It's lots and lots of time consuming work, but yeah, I love it. So that's about it. And once again, thank you everybody that has liked and subscribed in the last kind of couple of weeks. I'm absolutely, as I said earlier, I'm absolutely blown away by the amount of people that have viewed the Mears knife that I did just a quick unbox and review, or not so much a review, but just a quick look at it. Kind of speechless really as to how well and just I just appreciate everybody watching and liking and subscribing. And if I can get to 1,000 subscribers, probably do a few giveaways, I think, which will be cool. And I think that wraps it up. I think that's about it. Once again, thank you very much for liking and subscribing and watching the videos. It means it does really mean a lot to me, the fact that people take time out of their day to watch a video that I've made, and yeah, I am really very grateful. So thank you very much again. Keep watching and I'll keep making some videos if everyone wants to see them. And that's about it. So stay safe, like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers. See ya. So we've got a visitor at the door. Coming in. Coming in. Coming in. Yes or no? No? Just want to stay out there. You're an oddball.